Welcome to the Smart Organics QR code tutorial. We've updated our site to have quick response codes, or QR codes, readily available to scan on your mobile device. These codes will provide all necessary certificates of analysis to ensure the quality and authenticity of our products. With one quick scan, all the information you need will be in your hands. Once on your computer's web browser, head over to the Smart Organics Inc. secure website. Feel free to familiarize yourself with our drop-down menu and homepage buttons. For now, let's head over to the Products pull-down and view our CBD. You can select hemp-based to narrow down the results. Scroll down to find some more information on our CBD. If you're already signed up for email discounts, you can exit the pop-up. Here you'll find Smart Organics' entire CBD product line with their respective QR codes available by hovering the mouse over each picture. Click on the product you're interested in for more details. You'll notice ordering and policy information, as well as the nutrition facts and product-specific QR code. Here is where you'll want to get your mobile device ready by opening your favorite QR code reader app. We've tried a bunch, so most QR apps will be compatible. Simply aim the camera to scan the code and immediately be linked to the product information, third-party certificates of analysis, and raw material documentation. You can scroll through each lab result for previous batches, which is the number before the expiration date on the box or bottle of the product. You'll find cannabis potency results, terpene profiles, residual solvent screens, and links to certificates on the raw material used to make the product. Our mobile-friendly site is now linked in a way that you can easily find information on all Smart Organics CBD. View details on other products, or check out any of the agricultural assays. From here, you'll also have access to the rest of the site. What's great about our updated site is the ease of browsing around. With the hover over option, you can easily compare products without having to leave the web page you're on. Simply aim the camera and have that product's information in your hands. We hope having these QR codes make viewing our website more pleasant and educational than ever. When you're ready to order, or if you have further questions, simply give us a call or fill out the contact form on our website. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Think smart, go organic. With Smart Organics.